Hi, my name is Mike and I'm with clickandlearnsoftware.com. I'm going to go over a few of the different features of Click and Learn software. Today, the one we're going to focus on is signing in, creating an avatar so you can track your progress and your points. The first thing we're going to want to do is access the website. There's a few different ways to do that. If you are on a browser, you can go to clickandlearnsoftware.com. If you have access to the QR code readers, tablets, smartphones, scan the QR code with your camera. It'll take you right to this website. This is clickandlearnsoftware.com. Once you're at this site, you're going to click the Play Now button. It's the bright orange button right in the middle and right above the owl. Once you click the Play Now button, it's going to bring you to our game page where you're going to access a ton of free content. So even without signing in, you can click, learn, play the games, learn something new. So a lot of good information here. Again, today we are going to focus on signing in. Let's go ahead and jump in. If you are on a browser, on a PC, once you click the Play Now button, it's going to bring up our game page. And as I had said earlier, we do have this welcome screen here, this welcome button. That's going to take us to a YouTube channel that's going to show you all of our tutorials similar to this one. For now, we're going to sign in. We're actually going to create our account. So we're going to come to the top right of our screen here and click this sign in button. There's a star here for now. That's going to change later to your avatar, but I'll go over that in a moment. Once we sign in, it's going to ask us for our username or our email. You can use both. For now, I'm going to use my name, first name, and then today's date. It's the 20th and we're in 2025. So I'm going to hit register. All right. So the first thing we're going to want to do once we hit this register button is create our avatar. There's a few different options to choose from, but essentially what we're wanting to do is create something memorable that we can use as a second form of security down the road. You're going to know what your avatar looks like from a lot of different random avatars, so that's going to give you a bit more security to access your account. For now, let's go ahead and just create one real quick. All right, so once we have this created, we're going to hit the save button. Let's finish this up. Sorry about that. Oh yeah, let's get a prize in. I'll definitely remember this. All right, so now let's save it. It's going to give us the option to put our name on here. Year of birth, zip code, that's all optional information. If you don't want to do that, don't worry about it. We're going to hit the register button now. All right, and so it's asking us to add a password to our account. Now, what this is saying, it's required to make any changes to your account or create any content on Click and Learn. So a valid email address is required to verify your password. Okay, so if you would like to do this, you can do this. If not, we can change it at a later time. Essentially, that's for creating more content. So now here we are. The star has changed to my avatar, which is fantastic. I love it. And you notice that there's not a lot in here. Nothing's been added. So if you are a student and your teacher is creating content, this is where you're going to find it. But for now, what we wanted to do is, again, just show you how to create your own site. If we now come into here and go to Explore, we can go into the free channels, free geography channels. There's like I said, quite a bit in here that you can still access. Another cool feature about this, what I was saying earlier, is it's a great way to earn points. As you earn points, then that gives you a lot more options, and it's also bragging rights, for your friends as well. So let's go ahead and finish one of these. Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, Europe, North America, and South America. All right. So if you can look up here now, it's a little hard to see, but it says now we have 16 points. So even playing one level of one game is going to start creating points for you. So I definitely suggest to get in here, play as many games as you can. We're going to sign out for today. If we sign back in, this is where you're going to want to remember that avatar. Continue, does remember us. Now look at all of these different avatars to choose from. I remember mine really from the gift. So that last little thing we added is a helpful reminder for me. We're going to sign in. and it's going to bring us right to our page. Again, it's always going to ask us to set up that password. For now, we're going to say later, and we have access to all of our different games just like we had before. For other tutorials, definitely go into this one page here. It looks like welcome, click here to start. There's a bit of a rainbow there. For now, thank you so much for joining us. You can access this at any time at www.clickandlearnsoftware.com. You're going to be able to play the games, learn something new. It's super amazing software. Thanks for your time today.